What's up, everybody? Today we're going to be taking a look at Shady Brook. It'll be a nice quick look at Shady Brook, and then later on in the video we're going to take a look at the new Richmond area, which they are starting to show some progress in it. So if you just want to see the Richmond, I would say go ahead and fast forward. This is our second time in a couple weeks doing Shady Brook. This is that area that was cordoned off. This is one of the first neighborhoods that is done or will be completely done. People will be moving in. You can still see the sand on the road, but they'll be taking that off soon, doing some finishing touches. The golf course actually is open. Shallow Creek Championship Golf Course. This is the first time I've seen anybody out here on the course actually getting after it, and I noticed that the course is looking fantastic. So they must have overseeded it and watered it a ton since the last time we checked it out. This video was done July 1st, I want to say. Could have been June 30th. I'm not sure. I don't remember. You can see there's still some light patches, but overall pretty decent. They do have the cranes cranking out. Say that 3 times fast. They do have the cranes cranking out these houses. You can see some of the roofs going on. See how massive this area is. I will be checking it out from a different angle today. You should be able to see quite a bit. This is Bexley Trail that we're flying up, I believe. Yes, this is Bexley Trail. So Bexley Trail, this road to the right here, goes all the way up to the Southern Oaks Bridge and over into Southern Oaks Championship Golf Club, Sawgrass Grove, that area. This is where Bexley Trail meets Marsh Bend Trail, the traffic circle, and Marsh Bend Trail goes up through Well Point, Oak Hollow, Monarch Grove, which is already there, obviously, Monarch Grove. And, yeah, so you can see how big this area really is. Saluki and the Shady Brook Rec Centers here across the street from each other. And Saluki is open. So there was some people there actually in the pool. Enjoying. You can see they are parking the trailers behind the Saluki Rec Center, or not Saluki, the Shady Brook Rec Center, getting ready for this area to be developed, probably doing some surveys and things like that. They do have a foundation being laid out right below us, as you can see. And I'm going to tell you right now, Saluki Rec Center, there are some people in the pool, and you'll get to take a look at one of the youngsters over here. It looked to me like he was trying to do a kind of like a jump onto a pool noodle. You can see him right there. I gave him 10 points. Here's number 2, 10 points. They have some weird shaped pools here. I'd like to point that out. Anyways, right behind Saluki Rec Center, here's some more houses. This area is getting built up quite a bit. Oddly enough, not as much as the southern area down by Bexley Trail, or not as quickly as I should say, but still interesting. I did find this house interesting. It had blue, what looked like blue on the outside on the walls, and I've never seen that dark blue before. So I don't know. I just never see it in the villages. Tell me what you think about it. I don't think it's the paint. That's the thing. I got a closer look over here, and now it does kind of look like the paint, so maybe that's the paint, but I don't know. What do you guys think of this? I can't make it. Can't make anything of it. It's a pretty dark blue for a house. I'm not sure. Interesting color choice. Anyway. And this is that area, so this is what I was telling you. This is like, you can see how massive this area really is. And that's that Shallow Creek golf course that wraps around through Moultrie Creek. I mean, we just went through, this is Moultrie Creek here. So we just did videos on these probably 2 months ago. And a lot of these houses were under construction now. Everything's done. The grass is all grown in. There might be a 1 or 2 in here that are getting finished. But overall, pretty much done. And it seems like it takes forever when there's construction and you don't see the houses, but boy, once they start putting the houses on the dirt, it is insane how quickly they go up. This is headed toward Boosters. This is right into that Moultrie Creek area. And Bar Boulevard goes right through Moultrie Creek. That's what we're flying over right now. And goes all the way down to Landstone Boulevard, which connects and goes into Middleton. That's that traffic circle you see on the right side of the screen. Boosters is at the top in the middle. Boosters Bar and Grill is at the top right after all those houses. And that's the 19th hole for the championship golf course. And you can see all the people out here golfing up and down the trails. And this is, like I said, this is the first time I've seen them out here. I don't know how long the golf course has been open. It could have been open for weeks, but this is the first time I've seen anybody on the course actually playing around. We are getting ready to go into Richmond. I just wanted to show you this last little bit. And you can see how many people are out on the golf course. There's a lot, so I'm sure they had a waiting list. If you've golfed it already, let me know in the comments what you thought. I'd be interested in that. All right, we're going into Richmond. This is the new area of Richmond. We're coming just from the Okahumpka Rec Center before I move over into the actual Richmond area. So you can see they're building out the houses now. They have the foundations down, and you see the trailers with the precast walls. So this area will be going up fairly quickly, I would assume. It's pretty interesting because this is such a centralized area south of Brownwood, north of St. John's, the Okahumpka Rec Center. You have Okahumpka, Lake Okahumpka is just to the east of this area. You can see Richmond, the main huge side of Richmond over there across the street. And this is Megason Road. Megason runs all the way down to the other side of the villages, all the way to the east side of this area, specifically north of the Turnpike into St. Catherine, Hawkins, Citrus Grove, Case and Hammock, and all the way out to Dabney and Lake Denham. There's Lake Okahumpka up in the distance there. And then this area does go to the Brownwood Bridge, which is golf cart only. It's right in the middle of these trees here. You're not going to be able to see it. It's up in the distance, and I didn't fly that far. But Brownwood Square is up there in the middle. This is coming from the north going to the south now. Same area. Not a massive area, but obviously it's in the middle of a huge, massive area. You have Richmond right across the street with tons of houses in there. If you've seen any of the videos of that being built, it was a huge area. I think that was last summer. I was looking at most of that. And DeLuna. And here's Lake Okahumpka here. You can kind of see the Okahumpka Rec Center to the right. They're doing new construction over at the Okahumpka Rec Center next to it, I should say. I believe they're building some kind of restaurant. I think I saw something about that, but I'm not positive. Don't hold me to that. If you do know, let me know in the comments, but you'll be able to see it here. There it is right there. And the Okahumpka Rec Center is to the right, actually. Thank you for watching. I appreciate it as always. Please subscribe. It helps me out. And I will see you in the next one.